Well, this is what I found. It's a British seagull. Found it with my drone. Obviously it's damaged, so it'll never go again, but there's some parts that can be used on it. Sure somebody wants something on the internet. Well chaps, I've stripped this down and you're not going to believe this. Look at that. And it's got compression. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. It might go again after all. I think I'm going to be looking for some bits. It runs! Well guys, here it is. From the bottom of the lake. Like my pull cord. I've got to start it up now. If you give me a minute. I'm gonna do this now. Well guys, rebuilt. I'm gonna start it up now. Bottom of the lake. Back on the lake.